Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you an incredible trick, transforming this old, discarded bidet sprayer, often overlooked, into a powerful, versatile tool. I'm starting by carefully detaching the flexible hose from the sprayer head. This initial step is crucial to isolate the main body, making it easier to work on the sprayer itself without the hose getting in the way. Now that I have the sprayer head isolated, I'll give it a thorough clean with a paper towel. This ensures that any dirt or residue from its previous use won't interfere with our modifications or cause any issues with the electrical connections we'll be making later. I'm going to unscrew the front nozzle part of the sprayer, and then, using my pliers, I'm carefully removing all the internal parts. We need to clear out all the water-related components to create a hollow space, which will house our heating element and other electrical connections. With the nozzle secured firmly in a vise, I'm now using a step drill bit to precisely enlarge the opening. This wider and uniform hole is absolutely essential for fitting our spark plug securely into the nozzle, ensuring a stable and effective heating tip for our tool. Here's our key component, a spark plug. Before I proceed, I'll spray it with some WD-40 and wipe it clean. This helps remove any rust or grime, ensuring optimal electrical contact and overall performance for the next steps. I'm salvaging these small brass screws from a terminal block. These will serve as crucial contact points on our spark plug, allowing us to connect wires firmly and efficiently to conduct electricity. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Now, I'll attach these brass screws to the spark plug. It's vital to get these connections tight, using a screwdriver and pliers, as they'll provide the necessary electrical contacts for our heating element to function properly. Taking a red electrical wire, I'm stripping a small section of its insulation. Twisting the exposed copper strands together like this helps create a solid, clean contact, which is essential for a secure and efficient electrical connection. I'm connecting the stripped red wire to the spark plug, ensuring it's wrapped tightly for good conductivity. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Then, I'll wrap the entire connection point with red electrical tape. This is essential for safety, preventing any accidental short circuits or electrical shocks during use. I'm now threading the red wire through a metal washer and then through the modified nozzle. This washer will provide mechanical support for the spark plug, preventing it from being pushed too far into the sprayer body and ensuring proper alignment as we assemble it. Carefully, I'm reassembling the spark plug and nozzle back onto the sprayer body, guiding the wire through and tightening it down. This step consolidates our heating element into the newly fashioned tool body, giving it the form of a hot wire gun. Similarly, I'm stripping a section of red electrical wire at the other end. I'll attach this to an alligator clip, which will connect to the terminal of our power source, completing the circuit for our new tool. Securing the clip ensures a strong, reliable connection. I'm taking an old battery and carefully removing its outer casing. The internal carbon rod is what I'm looking for here, as it will be an essential part of our heating element, allowing for concentrated and precise heat when powered. I'll clean it thoroughly. I'm securing the carbon rod into my drill. This allows me precisely shape and sharpen its tip, creating a fine point for accurate and efficient heat application, similar to how a soldering iron would work, giving us incredible control. Now, I'm carefully inserting the sharpened carbon rod into the tip of our spark plug assembly. This connection is critical, as the spark plug will generate the initial heat that quickly transfers to the carbon rod, making it glow intensely and concentrate the heat. For the negative terminal, I strip the insulation from both ends of the yellow wire. Then I attach an alligator clip to each end of the wire. I'm connecting the red wire from our main tool to the positive terminal of the 12-volt battery, and the alligator clip from a yellow wire to the negative terminal. This completes the circuit, ready to power our custom tool. Watch closely when I touch the tip of the charcoal stick to this alligator clip. You can see it heat up and glow instantly, creating precise dots. This demonstrates how effective the carbon rod is at concentrating heat, making it perfect for detailed pyrography or marking tasks. Let's try something more challenging. I'll test it on 2 razor blades. See how it quickly heats up and melts through material? This shows its incredible potential for cutting and shaping various materials with precision and ease. Next, I'll test the spark plug tip itself on paper. Notice how it instantly ignites, creating a flame. This element is incredibly hot, making it ideal for tasks requiring extreme heat. Our incredible multifunctional tool transformed from a simple bidet sprayer, a spark plug, and a battery. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.